Want to taste all of that goodness? Get my no-bake cookies and cream cheesecake recipe. You'll need 3/4 cups of hot water, 2.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, kalahating tasang asukal, 2 bars of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 10 to 15 pieces of cream-filled cookies. This is a super easy recipe that you can turn into a bonding activity with your chikitings.
No, it's kids.
Kids. Chikitings, it's kids also. So today I have Andy, and Anna.
Hi.
And of course, Kayla will help me today.
Thank you for inviting us to KusiNica.
So, kwento ko
Oo.
lang,
Sige.
paano ba tayo naging friends? So, Anna and I met,
11 years
11
ago.
years ago. So, we have this common friend, pinakilala niya kami. Tapos, we go to the same church.
Yeah, and we were both pregnant at that time.
And I didn't know.
Yes. And then I just found out I was pregnant with Andy. So,
I was
Andy
pregnant
and
with Mick. Ninang na rin kami ng mga
Yeah.
mga anak namin.
So they're like family to us.
Super. I can't imagine my life without
Aww.
the Morans. Nuts! Okay, so this is super easy, girls, ha? So you watch lang. So I have here hot water. I think Andy and Kayla can even do this on their own. Eh?
I can if I
Yes,
just
and
memorize it.
This is
What's that?
gelatin powder. So we're going to mix the gelatin powder.
Ooh, it's
Into
really
the-
gelatin.
Yeah, you have to mix it
It's
na
really
anak, ha?
hard.
And the sugar.
That's a lot.
Yan. Okay, so be careful, kids. Be careful with the hot water. Who likes cookies and cream? Both of you?
Kayla, you like to bake. Andy likes to bake.
Yeah.
I like to bake.
So pareho
My
silang
BFF
mahilig
is
magluto.
baking.
Oh,
Ano,
your
ano?
BFF is baking.
My BFF is baking.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, Kayla likes to help. Si Andy also, di ba?
Yeah.
Likes
Baking.
cooking.
And brownies, right?
Brownies and bananas.
And Andy can also
Bake.
play different instruments. Magaling din po siya
Oh,
kumanta.
yeah. She makes her cover song.
Yay! You can dance, you also sing.
And you're good in ballet, di ba?
Yes. Oh, wait muna. So set this aside. Now we're going to cream the cream cheese. Cream the cream cheese. So one. Oh, yan. Lagi siyang ganyan. I wanna taste. Oh, sige, mag-taste kayo dyan. I wanna taste. Pati ako naka-taste. Okay? You can also do this by hand. You can use your whisk at home. But of course, I have my...
Ah, it smells so good.
So Andy, how important are family meals to you?
Very important. Be awesome.
Really, why?
Because
Yeah, well-
all of us sit down and eat and we can talk to each other.
All of you can sit down and eat. You can talk about your day,
Yeah.
So it's our bonding time, right?
bonding time. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to add the gelatin mixture. Are you still following?
Slow.
Slowly. Babaan po yung yung speed. Ayan.
Okay. Hot water, almost.
Oops. So you see that, girls, you want to have a very thick and creamy mixture. And also pala, when you add your gelatin mixture, di ba kanina, the one with the hot water, be careful the water shouldn't be super hot because you don't want to melt the cream cheese. So now we'll add our vanilla. Vanilla extract.
More vanilla with vanilla. More. Smell. Smelling things.
Alright.
Why? It smells good. I know.
Mm.
It smells so good.
See, it's that quick and easy. Di ba dirang dali lang? Oh, wait lang. I'm going to pour in.
Oh, look, so satisfying.
Looks so satisfying.
That's
Oops.
so yummy.
Now, this one muna. And then you're going to take turns. So we have here our
Thank you very much.
cream-filled cookies. So you're gonna do this.
Yes.
Yan.
we did
Okay,
yes
ready?
yesterday.
Go! Not so hard. Yan. Gigil na gigil siya eh. Oh.
Kailangan I think you have to bang.
Yan.
There.
Like Ate Andy. There. Woo! Oh, put it there in the bowl.
Andy can
Kinakareer talaga ni Kayla yung ano.
So let's get this cookie.
O, diba? Ang ganda siya kasi it's something you can do with your kids. Or you can even have like a play date at home with your kids. Diba?
Instead of gadgets.
Oo.
Yeah, instead of that.
Tapos na-enjoy pa sila. Di ba you enjoy this? At
Yeah.
First, you make your cookie crust here. Oh, like this, Kayla. Get a little. Dear, ito, may option din sila. Here kasi, this is just the, ano, diba, the cream cheese.
Oo.
But if you want to add a little, yung crushed cookies na inside,
So the whole
pwede rin, oo. Para when they dig in, yung texture may smooth, tapos magiging crunchy. Put a little of the cream cheese mixture on top. After that, get some crushed cookies again. Yan. So, easy lang, di ba, dear? Madali
Yeah.
lang. Oh. Yan. You know, ako, I really appreciate yung friendship ko with Anna kasi, di ba, parang like kami din ni
I
Mark
have
as
here. I
a
have a
couple.
big
Sometimes we go
bowl.
through
This is
mga
mine.
trials din. So, it's good that you have other couples na accountable to each other. Diba? You walk with each other, you pray for each other.
through ups and downs.
Through ups and downs. One more layer of
What
the
more?
cream cheese. Oh, and then spread it out.
Pero ganito talaga si Danica, even without camera. Mahilig talaga siya magluto and to prepare for guests.
No.
So, kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa, kasi I follow you eh. So, ano yung nakikita nyo recipes, yun yung kinakain namin. Nandito kami. So, magaling talaga magluto.
Nuts! Pero ang saya kasi diba, I really believe that food brings people together.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? Pero,
Tsaka family meals is a lost art eh. A lot of people don't have that in their families anymore. So, it's good to bring it back.
and then for your last layer, you can top it with more. But you have an option to just do this na lang, Andy. Look. Pwedeng dyan na lang. Look mo na, Kayla. But it's really up to you because it's your own creation. So, then you can garnish it with the cookies like this. Yan. Oh, this is the
Wow,
finished
that looks
No,
nice.
product.
No, not yet. There.
Ayan, yes. If you have sprinkles or any other fruits, whatever you'd like to add, pwede rin naman. So we're going to chill this first for siguro
Okay.
mga, pwedeng 4 hours.
Okay.
Pero minsan kasi it depends if your chiller is very parang malamig. Minsan mga 1 or 2 hours okay na
Wait,
din.
let's put
Pwede
it
siya sa
over.
freezer, like
It's like
normal
surrender.
freezer.
No, chiller
Chiller
talaga.
Okay.
Diba? And the good thing about this
There,
is
it's
no
surrender.
bake. You
Ay,
don't have to
oo
bake.
nga.
Diba? And it's so easy. Ito, dear, pwede nyo itong i-prepare. Kunwari, Andy has
Yeah.
like an event with
So
her.
wait. So it's
Ay,
not
may ganun.
dangerous.
Oh.
Wait, so
Excuse
it's
me,
not-
mommy.
Excuse me, mommy.
Ah.
So it's not dangerous. You don't have to put it at the oven. You just have to put it at the cold,
In the
in freshening ref.
freshening ref. Refreshing ref.
Freshening
You're
ref.
so good with words. Who's your English teacher? Your mommy?
My mind. What do you want to be when you grow up, Andy?
Singer.
Wow. And performer.
Musician.
Musician.
I want to be when I grow up, I want to be teaching pool.
Teaching pole.
Wow.
Mama Nene. Ate Shara. Oh.
Wow!
Gumano.
Wow!
Chill na natin. And we'll
Oh,
be
I like the way you decorated it.
Okay, yay! Now, Andy and Kayla will get to try their yummy creations.
Yay!
So, go. Dig in. Go. Wow!
Good?
Yummy, no? Cookies and cream.
I'll taste it also.
Yum. Yeah. Minga.
Actually, if you put it at the what's that?
In the chiller.
In the chiller. Firmer.
Yeah.
Yeah, than this.
Nasitigas pa po siya if we leave it longer. Pero hindi na nila mahantay eh. They really wanted to eat it na. So, there. So, I hope mommies na
It's good.
may natutunan kayo, di ba? It's so easy. And, oo nga pala, Anna, share naman your vlog.
Oh, wow. Just check, even Andy has a vlog, has a YouTube channel. She makes cover songs and she talks about different stuff. You invite them to check out your
What's the name of her channel?
Andy Moran, and my channel is Anna Moran. I basically talk about family, about faith, about our home. So next time I'll guest Danica there.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you for helping, Andy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you din.